Hello and good day. And so this right here is boba tea protein, the taro flavor. So with this, the reason I want it was because regular boba tends to have a lot of sugar. We're talking like over 70 grams of sugar in just a cup of boba. But with this one, you've got 25 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, and this one in particular is made of real taro. So if we do the comparison on the back, they even got this like little diagram in the back where again, this has 25 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, whereas a regular average boba drink has 0 grams of protein and 70 grams of sugar, and it's also artificially flavored. So with this is such a good alternative to drinking boba tea, which is usually high in sugar. One scoop of this is only got 160 calories. And what I really like about this is that it easily mixes in with liquid, okay? It doesn't get all clunky. It easily dissolves in liquid, making it super, super easy to use. And so with it, boba tea protein, so much better than average boba. Check it out for yourself. I've had no problems with this whatsoever. And one of the main things that I really like is that it just mixes super easily with liquid.